Okay, friends, let's get started on our morning review. If you have hung on with me all the way and you've continued to do this, even though it's been optional, give yourself a pat on the back. I'm really proud of you. Make sure you have your name at the top. Let's get started. Day 129. I already started a little bit here before I started the video. So it says rewrite the sentence correctly. The sentence is, they won't care if you're a little late. So the first thing you always have to have is a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. Please make sure your handwriting is its very, very best. So they won't. Won't is a contraction for would not. So they would not care. And they spelled care, C-A-I-R, like the air, but this is the correct way to spell care. It's got that magic E on the end, making that vowel sound short. They won't care if your or you are, it's another contraction, Y-O-U apostrophe. They won't care if you are a little late. And then make sure you have a period at the end of your sentence. Your third grade teacher is going to go bonkers if you do not have a capital letter and a period for sure at the very minimum in your sentence structures. Okay, number 2 says, circle and write the word that has the same vowel sound as the picture. So it looks like we have a mask. So we have the a sound, that short A. So we have blast, but ain't, crawl. So the word is mask, blast. No letters floating in air. Make sure they're sitting down on that line. Square, and we have ain't, chair, ear. So square, you said chair, you're right. All right, and then we also have the vocabulary word glare. If you're glaring at someone, it's to look at someone in an angry way. So what might make your teacher glare? Oh my goodness. I would never glare at you in an angry way, but if there was something that you did that would make me glare, what would it might be? Oh my, maybe if you give someone a put down. What might make your teacher glare? If I give someone a put down. I don't think I'd be very happy about that. Notice I'm not doing a capital letter and a period there because that's not a complete sentence. If I give someone a put down, that's just kind of a thought. Okay, so what might make your teacher glare? If I meaning like you, not me, give someone a put down, I might glare at you. Okay, let's take a look at our suffix er. So a person who does something, a leader. A leader would lead someone, right? So the base word is going to be lead. And the suffix is and it means to lead something, right? Squeeze it in. To lead something. So a leader might, lead by doing the right thing all the time, making good choices, okay? Or a leader of a building, they might lead the building, like our principal, Mrs. Chastain. All right, number 5 says, make jumps of 10s and 1s to subtract 14. So we're going to hop backwards on that number line in chunks or jumps of 10. So if we have 67 minus 14 and we go back, 67, if we go backwards 10, we have 57. And if we go back 10 more, we would have 47. Okay, so those are 2 groups of 10. Oh, wait a second here. So we go back 14, so 10, I went back 20, so I don't want to go back that far. So I have go back 10, and then 14 is 4 a little more. So 57, 56, 55, 54, 53. So 53 should be the answer. I hope I didn't mess that up for you guys. Let's try my thinking again. Because do you notice, see, if I went back 10 and then 10 more, that would be 20. We're not taking away 20. We're only taking away 14. So I go 10 And then I take away the 4 more, which would give me 53. So 57, and then minus 4 more is 53. Okay, let's try it on this one. So 95 minus 14. So I'm going to go back 10. So that would be like 85. And then I have to go 4 more. So 84, 83, 82, 81. So the answer is 81. Makes sense? Let me know if it doesn't. If I confused you, I'm so sorry. Okay, number 6 says, draw lines to pair up pictures. Is it an even or an odd amount? This is almost an insult of our intelligence here. Okay, so we have 2 buttons, and that makes a pair. Remember, a pair has to have like a partner. So 4 is an even number because they each have a partner. Okay? Number 7 says, draw a bunch of squares. One square has 4 sides in all. I drew a bunch of squares. One square has 4 sides in all. I drew 20 squares. So there's 20 squares, and there's times 4 sides. Okay, so that's how we would set it up, or we could say 20 4 times plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. Okay, we can do this. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, or let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. 80. How many squares did I draw? 80. Don't forget your unit. Your math teachers are going to love you for that. 80 squares. Okay, let's zoom out and take a look at this final story problem. It says, draw the coins needed to pay for the item. So it's 90 cents. Now, we know that there's a couple different combinations we can make here. But let's say that we want to get the amount and the least number of coins. So 4 quarters equals $1 or 100. 90 is less than that. So I can't do 4 quarters, but I sure can do 3. So 25, 50, 75. So each of these are worth 25 cents, right? That's equal to 75 cents. So 75. Adding 10 more, a dime, would be 85. And a nickel would be 90. Okay, see if you can come up with maybe another way, but that's the shortest way to get there, fastest way to get there with the least number of coins. Okay, go ahead and check your work with mine, and then go ahead and post it, to Seesaw, and then flip it over, and let's do the back side.